This is made out of gold, and it's kind of like a weird head of Isn't that like the head from the mummy?
No, it's from Tuca, whatever.
Tuca, whatever. Yeah, but it looks kind of like the tiger thing in the desert.
Yeah.
That's kind of
Wait, what is this?
This is
Popongo.
like a coffin where they put the mummies in.
Yeah, I know.
It's this one.
This looks a bit weird.
Those are the things that are inside of this huge blonde coffin. It has a weird.
Wow. This looks like a...
What's a heart?
No, this is like the middle. Look at how it looks. It looks like a beetle.
Oh, there we go. Dude, that's a weird head. That's a weird head.
The pendants of wide-winged scarab beetle is made of gold and stones. The design
Spells.
Dude, has spells. I didn't know that.
Out of 3
hieroglyphs, Neb Khepero, and we of Tutankhamun's name.